All right. Hello, everyone. It is Dr. Chelle with Dr. Test Prep. Thank you so much for caring about yourself to improve on the PSAT and the SAT math portion, which is the focus of this series. Right now, we're looking at Unit 7, Lesson 7 in Khan Academy, which is on linear and exponential growth. We are looking at the harder examples. If you've bought my book, we're on page 133. If you didn't have time to buy my book or don't want to, no worries. It's $14.95 on Amazon. Just get paper and pencil. Make sure you have Desmos open and set to College Board. At McDonald Farm, the population of rabbits triples twice a year. If the initial population was 10 rabbits, write a function to show the population of rabbits after T years. And guys, I apologize. I'm actually recording my videos during the day and the lighting is a little weird. So it is what it is. All right, let's move on. So we have, this will be exponential because it triples. It has multiplication. So we're going to do y equals the starting value times the rate times the time. So the initial population was 10 rabbits. It triples, but it triples twice per year. So instead of having x, we're going to have 2x. And that's the formula. That's the function right there. I mean, to make it a function notation, we would do like f of x equals 10 times 3 to the 2x. And that's it. Okay, so like if 5 years pass, we would just type in our function, f of x equals 10 times 3 to the 2x, and then we would have our function would be, well, what would it be after 2 years? 810. Wow, those are some very, very busy rabbits. All right, let's look at number 5. Describe the relationship to the right. Is it linear or exponential, increase, decrease, growth, decay? Well, obviously, we're going to do plus sign table. Remember, I like to hit the tab button to go between each one. At a minimum, we know that this is, we know it's either decay or decrease. And we know that because the numbers are going down. So now we just have to say, is it going down in a straight line or is it doing something different? So if we look right here and connect the dots, it is very clear that it's going down in a straight line. It's a linear function. So a straight line is linear, it's going down, so it's decrease. The amount of medication in the bloodstream decreases 20% every hour. So because we have a percent, we know we're going to do our exponential function. So we've got y equals our starting value, and then it has a percent, so I'm going to put a 1 here. If the initial amount is 100 milligrams, write the equation representing the amount A after H hours. So we've got A sub H, 100, it's decreases, so I'm going to put a minus sign, but don't put minus 20. Remember, it has to be a decimal. So 20% as a decimal is 0.2, and it's not like it's every hour, so it's just H like that. And that's our answer. All right, well, be the hero of your story. You already are, like you're right here working, which is fantastic. Please come back for the next video after you go to Khan Academy and do the questions, because we're going to go on to probability and relative frequency. All right, so go back to Khan Academy, do Unit 7, Lesson 7 practice using the techniques we talked about, and then come back for the next series or next video. Bye, guys.